Kaiser-Permanente of Washington denies access to people like middle-aged and older who wear corrective eyewear. They promote needlessly, recklessly, wantonly promote eye disease to anyone. They don't use optometry recommended and optometry approved black, high contrast, bold type, any of their hard copy materials, aside from a few words here and there. This isn't even bold, but at least it's more accessible than all these other words, which are completely inaccessible. I don't know any seniors who can read this. And I hear this from everyone I know who goes to Kaiser-Permanente, who's in their 60s, 70s, and 80s. They just show contempt for optometry, for ophthalmology, for accessibility. And look at this type down here. You don't need a microscope to read it. It's unbelievable. This is all just awful, awful, awful. And Kaiser-Permanente members, wherever, can file complaints in the United States with the Department of Health of the state one resides in, and with the Consumer Affairs Department of the Attorney General of the state one resides in. There's absolutely no excuse for this inaccessibility and eye disease abetting type. Eye disease abetting, according to their own staff optometrists, it's unhealthy. It's vision harmful.